Hello, I'm Lucy Joy Morris and I'm the Director of Music here at Hertford College. So I look after the chapel choir and the HCMS, the Music Society here at Hertford.
Hi, I'm Dr. Oliver Chandler. I'm the Organising Tutor in music here and I look after the students pastorally. I sort of organise their tutorial timetable and I do a lot of the teaching myself as well, particularly in music analysis.
So why study music at Hertford?
There are two ways of thinking about a music degree, really, both in the broadest sense and then, why study music at Hertford? Well, speaking to the broader question, why study music? Well, if you walk into a room and you hear someone playing, say, Bach Chaconne, solo violin, what are you actually hearing? You might say, well, Bach Chaconne, but what you're really hearing is a bow with horsehair being dragged across aluminium wound steel. And I think what a music degree tries to do is explain how can we turn sense impressions like that into an understanding of music that is cultural, historical, how can we understand music as something that is both a compositional practice, something that involves individuals in particular times and places, that involves a history of instrument making and how that affects how people make music and sounds together and how we conceptualize all of that philosophically. So if you do a music degree, what you're really going to be studying is all of the humanities and a lot of the sciences, mathematics, how music fits together, cognitive science, how we convert sound into information, and then linguistics, how we put musical building blocks together to create pieces. So really, if you study music, you're studying all of the humanities, but in a particularly fun way. Why study this at Hertford? Well, we have an amazing team of tutors who have expertise running the full length of the music faculty's incredibly broad curriculum. So we have people who have expertise in church music from the 16th century. We have people who are music theorists who theorize how tonality works in Wagner and in 12-tone music. We have people who engage in public musicology who write program notes for some of the biggest music festivals in the world. And we have incredibly talented music performers who work both in the Globe Theatre for music theatre productions, but also in Hindustani world music context. So we really do have tutors who are both amazing human beings. They'll support you in all of your studies and in your broader life at Oxford, but they also have this incredible subject knowledge which will enable you to either treasure music which you already love or encounter music that you're going to love in the future. So what extracurricular activities can music students or students at Hertford more broadly look forward to during their time here?
There's a lot going on. It's a very busy college for music, and I would suggest that any music student coming to the college thinks about their education not just from their studies but also from the point of view of their opportunities in the wider college and in the wider university. Here at Hertford we have a lovely chapel choir which is largely non-auditioned, so anyone is welcome to sing, but we also have 8 choral clerks who are auditioned to sort of lead their section of the choir. They have singing lessons, there's lots of other benefits as well. They also sing as an octet for Compline every week, as well as the Sunday evensongs with the full choir and Monday rehearsals. We also have 2 organ scholars who take a more leadership role. They do some conducting as well as playing the organ, of course, so I'd really encourage any organ students to think about auditioning for an organ award. And then we have a wonderful music society called HCMS, Hertford College Music Society, which runs a variety of ensembles, including an orchestra, which I conduct, rehearsing once a week. We also have a jazz band, which is lots of fun and student-led. There's a committee of students who run things and get concerts up and running, lots of other performance events and performance opportunities as well. And we have a recital series once a week where soloists can perform. So it's a really active college, lots going on, and a really wonderful place to be socially for music as well as with all the opportunities that you would have.
Absolutely, please apply.